Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video I'm showing my simple way to cook chicken pulao without oil. So let's start. We need chicken, rice, fenugreek leaves, coriander leaves, green chili, garlic, ginger, tomatoes, onions. Then I made two paste. This is paste of onion, garlic and ginger. This is paste of fenugreek leaves, coriander leaves, green chili and tomatoes. Now in a pot, take some cinnamon and cumin seeds and roast them. You can use non-stick pot. Then add the white paste we made. After it is bit brown, add the green paste we made. Add salt according to taste, turmeric powder. Cook them properly until the water is evaporated. Then add yogurt and mix it properly. Then add chicken. Add biryani masala powder, chicken masala powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, if you need recipe of these masala powders, I will upload it on YouTube or you can use it from other brands. Mix it, close the lid and let chicken get cooked. Then add rice and hot water, mix it and close the lid. Our delicious chicken pulao without oil is ready.
Okay, so our chicken pulao is ready and it is made without oil. Do try it at your home and let me know how it tastes. See you in next video. Bye bye.